In today's video, I will show you how to block someone in Ludo King. To begin, open the Ludo King app and ensure you are logged into your account. From the main home screen, tap on the Social tab located at the bottom of the interface. Once you're in the Social menu, you can find the person you want to block by browsing through the Chats, Friends, or Last Played tabs. When you've located the specific player, tap on their profile to open their details. In the top right corner of their profile page, look for the triangle icon with an exclamation point. Tapping this will open the moderation options. From the list, select Block. Quick tip: at this stage, you also have the option to delete the person from your list or report them if they have been breaking game rules or being disrespectful. To confirm your choice, tap Block again and then select Yes when the confirmation pop-up appears. You will see a message stating Player Blocked, meaning they will no longer be able to message you or join your games. And that's it. That's how you block someone in Ludo King. Thank you for watching.